Coverage you can count on continues with new positive cases from the coronavirus outbreak at a nursing home in Augusta. News Channel 6's Wes Cooper reports.
Mayor Hardy Davis has confirmed that more than 70 people who either live at or work with the Windermere Health and Rehabilitation Center here in Augusta have tested positive for coronavirus. 67 residents are positive and 7 employees.
The science has told us that our elderly population and those with underlying healthcare conditions can be the ones most infected or impacted by COVID-19.
In some ways, of course, it'll be shocking to the community to hear that we have this number of cases in a facility. But it really should be viewed as an opportunity to identify those that are at risk and to limit the transmission of the disease.
Right now, 67 residents that tested positive for coronavirus are in isolation at Windermere. 3 patients have been taken to a hospital to be treated for COVID-19. Windermere is a 120-bed care facility for the elderly. 98 people live there.
An infection in you that causes you to get a fever and to develop symptoms because your body is revving up to fight that, we don't see that same response in elderly patients. And so in elderly patients, instead, it kind of smolders for longer and they don't rev up that same response. And therefore, infections can go undetected for a longer period of time.
We know that, again, you've got upwards of 74, 75 people who have been infected by the virus. That includes employees at Windermere. What's interesting is that many of the positive cases are not symptomatic. And so I think that's something that we're continually seeing in the country and certainly here in the community as well.
Mayor Davis told me the first positive coronavirus result came back Wednesday. Thursday, the Georgia Department of Health made a visit to Windermere. Windermere then called Augusta University Health to conduct testing for everyone at the nursing home. Friday, we received a tip about the positive coronavirus result being more than 70. A spokesperson from Windermere confirmed it to be true that afternoon.
I just want to encourage all Augustans to be patient in this process. Not only to be patient, but to know that we're doing everything we can, both as local and state officials, to provide you with sound information and guidance, and at the same time, helping each of us work together to flatten the curve and stop the spread of the virus.
Mayor Davis said at this time the National Guard has not been called to help. The state health department is investigating the coronavirus outbreak at Windermere. District Attorney Natalie Payne said she will follow up with the appropriate state agencies. This is Wes Cooper reporting in Augusta, WJBF News Channel 6.